Hello folks, welcome to Sherwood Park Toyota, located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Today I'm going to be showing you this 2010 Hyundai Elantra. Now, the most notable features on this Elantra is a steering wheel audio control. You also have your heated front seats and your hood deflector. Now, I'm going to go through a couple more features on the inside and outside of the vehicle just to get you a bit familiar with this 2010 Hyundai Elantra. Let's get started. Now, a couple of the exterior features that you will see on this Elantra is its hood deflector. You also have your daytime running lights, and taking a look just over on the side here, you'll see your 15-inch wheels. Now, you also have your foldable mirrors, and the color we're going to be taking a look at today is white. Now, to start off with, we're going to be taking a look at your front dash as well as your front seats, just so you have a much better idea of how much space there is. Now you have your black cloth interior seat surfaces, and taking a look just over on your left-hand side, you're going to see your light controls, and then on the inside of your driver's side door, you'll see your mirror controls, window locks, power locks, and window controls, both your front and rear windows, along with your trunk release. Now, a couple of the controls you'll see here on the steering wheel include your cruise control setting, and just to take a look just at what the vehicle is currently sitting at kilometer-wise, as you can see, sitting at 141,888 kilometers. Taking a closer look now into the center dash as well as your display, you'll see a couple of different options on here. At the very top, you'll find some storage space. You have a digital clock and your AM/FM as well as your CD player. Located underneath, you have your hazard lights with your temperature controls. And down below, you'll find your heated seat controls for your driver and passenger, mounted to an automatic transmission. Finally, we'll be taking a look at your rear cargo area as well as your trunk. Now, one of the nice things with this Elantra is it does have that keyless entry system as well as an automatic trunk release. So taking a look at your key fob, you have your lock, unlock, trunk release, and your panic button. So if you hold down the trunk release for approximately 2 seconds, it'll pop open for you. Now, taking a closer look just in the back here, as you can see, it does come with an additional set of tires and rims. The other thing is, if you need the additional space, you can fold down that 60-40 split rear seat as well. So if you do find yourself in a bit of a pinch, you know exactly that you have that option of having a little bit more extra cargo space. Thank you so much, folks, for watching this video today. If you have any questions, please visit us. We're located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. The phone number is 780-410-2455, or please visit our website at sptoyota.com to get us by email. Once again, folks, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you have any comments or any additional questions, please leave them in the comment section located down below. Other than that, make sure you have a great day, and I hope to see you next time.